Welcome to Business Leader Reboot. I am Sheila Mack. I am the Mastermind leader here, and you may have heard this announced on my show, NBC Sheila Mack Show. That is something that you can also tune into. It is on NBC's KCAA Radio and on-demand TV, as well as all major podcasting channels. And I wanted to create this program in order to help busy moms and business leaders to find even more success in their business. So here are a few things that this program will help you with. Overcome your overwhelm and get unstuck. Easily manage your time and increase your productivity. Get organized and stay organized over time in the office and at home. Stay on task in spite of your mood and complete what you start. Eliminate procrastination and delegate effectively. Be confident in yourself as a business leader. Decrease your stress and anxiety and feel calm and in control. Communicate effectively to create deeper relationships. Manage your money and increase your financial success. Get back in the driver's seat of your business and life and stay there. So this mastermind group is most created for busy moms and boss lady rock stars to reinvent, rebuild, and reboot to even more business success on your terms. Each month, you will receive a new business and abundance building ebook to study, review, and apply as you wish. There will be a link to connect and also ask questions, share your new business upgrades, or start a side gig with some guidance and accountability to help you stay on track. Once a month, we will also have a live, either a Zoom or a conference call. And if you are not able to attend on those meetings, then you will actually receive the recording to watch on your time. And you'll also receive additional video trainings and talks to learn the best secrets in the industry for starting, building, and scaling a business, as well as ways to slowly build a nice passive income. All right, I look forward to seeing you in this mastermind.